LEKA systems specialize in GRP systems, rapidly enhancing your home with tried and tested structures, like our carport and roof canopy. Using glass-reinforced plastic, or GRP, allows for a structurally tested and far lighter alternative to aluminium or timber. GRP is not at risk of sweating or condensation, unlike aluminium. Nor is GRP open to woodworm, moisture absorption or potential rotting, such as timber. Firstly, our GRP structurally sound posts are installed into the correct locations, using feet if necessary to secure them into place. Next, the main GRP ring beam and roof structure are installed into position, creating a strong, robust framework. Next, our highly engineered, lightweight and load-bearing outer sheets are installed, ensuring fewer roof bars and quicker installation. Finally, a high-quality shingle or lightweight slate tile finish is applied. These tiles provide a lighter, better lifespan over heavier alternatives such as concrete or traditional slate. Lastly, a cladding colour of your choice is applied to the underside of your roof and supporting posts. Lighting can also be supplied to your LEKA carport and canopy. LEKA Systems, the innovative lightweight GRP systems company.